I love this! It shakes like crazy! Welcome guys, Retro Django here. In this video, we're gonna take a look at this beautiful motion control shaker kit and install it in a Stern spike tool system. Let's make a fast unboxing here. First, the box is just beautiful. My special thanks to Pinsound for sending me all this beautiful pinball upgrade kits. I just love what Pinsound does for our great hobby. We have got some quality control here in 2022. That was last year. Let's make a quick unboxing here before we install everything. We have got manual, cable, a cap over here, mounting kit over here, Pinsound, spike, shaker, power, how-to installation, and the shaker itself is mighty. Let's see how it looks under here from Pinsound. Oh, that's a nice box. It's a heavy one, absolutely. Wow. Guys, it looks and smells pretty nice. So this shake will make the whole machine go. Let's check out one of my spike 2 systems together. Wow. So you know what guys, Godzilla, as of 2023, Godzilla is #1 at the Pinside list, and the next best Stern machine is Jurassic Park according to all the ratings. Oh, I'm so sorry, 2 seconds guys. There we go. There we go. All right. But if you ask me, I think Godzilla is absolutely #1. But having a T-Rex in a pinball machine that roars and you can hear it out loud and see it on the LCD screen and feel the whole pinball machine shake with a built-in shaker. I mean, this is maybe one of the best pinball machines to upgrade with a Pinsound motion control shaker kit, Phillips screwdriver, turned completely off the machine, just mounted at the front, 4 hex head screws, really simple stuff, and put the top cover on, and this cable with the cap on, connect to CN14, CN16, and at the board CN16. Have fun with your new shaker. So I'm gonna do that right now. It's pretty simple stuff. So as the manual said, we have to unplug CN14. That's down here. There we go. And then we connect. As you can see, it's black up top, so we will turn it the right way. So the black is up top again. And connect this one here. So basically we are giving a cap to this cable. Oh, wait. Yeah, black there. There we go. That's it. And the other cable is power giving it, taking it from CN16 here to the shaker. So that's relatively simple stuff. Guys, I'm sorry about the poor light condition here, but it's just 4 hex screws. Just make sure that you tighten them, all 4. Make sure that the shaker is just, you know, it sits the proper way. These Stern cabinets, they're already prepared with holes drilled, and as you can see, the ground connector cable is already ready here, and the CN16 is keyed, so you can't mess up by turning the power cable on the wrong way. So I'm just gonna put on those 4 screws at top, and it's keyed and powered by CN16, and let's go ahead and screw them on and turn on the pinball machine. Right guys, that's about it. The whole installation process takes a few minutes. So yeah, the pinball is ready to be turned on. 2 cables, that's it, guys. So I'm looking forward to this. I have installed, you know, shaker kits before, but not in a Jurassic Park. I'm gonna check out the T-Rex raw. All right, guys. One thing that wasn't included in the manual is you have to go in and let me see here. Yeah, there we go. Adjustments 301. Shaker motor optional. It's on maximum use. You can gonna say none, of course, if you don't want to have it to go. You can say minimal use, moderate use, long use, maximum use. Okay. So remember, if it's on none, then you have to go in and activate it. So I'm gonna start a new game and I'm gonna let ball 1 drain because of the music. Alright, so the music won't be blocked by YouTube. So let's go ahead and hit the Jeep. Oh, the shaker is nice. I'm gonna hit the T-Rex a couple of times. There we go. Man, it shakes.
Still need your help.
I love this! It shakes like crazy! Oh, the shaker motor is... It's so nice! I mean, this game is just... It's just made for a shaker motor, man. Oh, whoa, whoa, air balls, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. The feeling of the shaker motor is, it's not like your Earth shaker motor where the whole machine is just shaking and feels like an Earth shake. The shaker is really smooth, it's really nice, you can just, it's just wow, man. I love it.
Electric trucks.
Yeah, alright. Oh, still shaking. It's so cool. Guys, I want to say thank you for watching. I hope I inspired you to think about getting a shaker motor to your game. And as you can see, this one is from pinsound.org. Really nice, simple installation. And it shakes like crazy, and I love it. Have a great day out there, and happy 2023. I hope you all are had a great time and are gonna have a great 2023. Retro Jingo out. I hope to see you on the next video, guys. Bye. Oh, it's so nice.
Super Train.
Yes.